Hi Primary 4 friends, how are you today? Meet me Miss Irene and today I will accompany you to do the nature observation. As usual, I want to ask you friends, how is your plant today? Has your plant started growing? If it has, how does it look like now? If it hasn't grown, why do you think it is? Do you think your plant needs more time to grow? Do you know how your plant can grow from seed to be a big plant? Alright friends, after this I will send you two videos and please watch those two videos, and after you watch it, please take a video of yourself and then I ask you to narrate how a plant can grow from seed, and then you can tell what is the difference of those two videos. Okay? I cannot wait to see your narration of how our plant can grow from seed. Alright? Okay, friends. I will wait for your feedback. I will wait for your video of your narration and I will meet you in the next meeting. Okay? Bye, friends.